Hey, guess what? I have here 2010 Maxima. I have a problem with the rear, left rear. I have like a groaning noise in the left rear. Alright, so I found out that the hub bearing is gone. Okay, so I take it out, I put a new one in right here. And here I have the old one. So I'm about to put it back together. I just remember I had to take a video with it, so I have the other phone in the house. So this is how you gotta do it. This one is in. Just gotta lift it up, and you can get it. I take out the sensor. Always take the sensor out because sometimes I get hung up in the air and brake, so I take it out. You know, this way you don't have to buy a new sensor. I do the screw for that. All right, put this back in here. Gotta put the. All right. Got the ABS sensor in also. It's all hooked up. Now I'm gonna put the caliper back, the rotors on the caliper back. Alright, we put some grease around this baby here. This way the rotor wouldn't get no rust build up in there, brake dust. The rotor's gonna go right in there without sticking when you're ready to do your next brake job. Knock some rust off. Alright. Right, put this up here. That's in. Okay, so now I gotta put the caliper back in. All the parts falling out. So, all right, so I gotta use my two hands. I gotta use. So, all right, that's it for now. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.